Hello, this is Virgil Labrador, Editor-in-Chief of Satellite Markets and Research, and we're here at the Satellite 2021 show in Washington, D.C. Actually, it's a little bit outside of Washington, D.C., in the Washington, D.C. area, National Harbor, with David Gelerman, the CEO of Spacebridge, and we haven't seen each other in 18 months since the last show.
Yeah. Time flies.
Yeah, so how you been, David?
Thank you, everything is fine. Most important thing, we're all healthy,
Right.
and we can see each other, shake hands, hug each other, clap on the shoulder, and enjoy life again.
Right. And you've also, I've interviewed you actually during the pandemic. We did the podcast, and I know that you've been very busy also during the pandemic. So talk about how you've been spending the last 18 months for your company.
Look, it's a new way to work, new way to do business. We, believe it or not, we spend most of the time at home, at least most of our people did. As of 29 of February 2020, we followed up decree of our government, and we needed to shut down our engineering facilities, at least send people home, work from home. Production stayed open all the time, and we learned how to communicate effectively and efficiently through Teams meetings, Zooms, and so on. And now we have opposite problem. People don't want to come back to work.
Right. Yeah, they got used to the remote work.
Exactly,
right? Yeah. So how's that working out now, right now? The transition now as the pandemic subsides?
Well, now it's September. Most of the kids will go or went to school, and people will we're located in Montreal, as you know. Montreal now it's in a green zone, so all restrictions are lifted. So practically everybody can come back to work, but we're not pushing anybody. It's a hybrid condition. People can work from home and work. Of course, engineers have to spend some time in lab, and this is what we did all through pandemic anyway.
Right.
So we learned how to work and live in a new environment, in new conditions, and work well together.
Right. And how do you see the coming year for your company? What are your plans, and how do you see the company a year from now?
We're seeing explosive growth for our company right now. You can see on display here at this show multiple products that we just launched recently. We have now state-of-the-art technology in our VSAT platform. We meet in all current requirements of the market, what our customers asking us to deliver. We're doing now layer 2 end-to-end solution. We're doing high efficiency on return link. We're doing 5% roll-off on return link in MFTDMA mode, which I believe not too many people can do it. And we have good customer satisfaction. We launched second generation HTS product this year, and now this system is working very well, stable, and we're seeing future expansion. And we've seen actually expansion in several regions of the world, in Latin America, in Africa, in Middle East, and in Far East.
Right. So here at the show, which of these products are you highlighting?
We highlight them all. We're showing consumer products, what it's cost-effective solution for broadband access. We have, which is our 7700 product. We have here new 7800 product, which is top of the line wave switch product, make before break, seamless transmission from one waveform to another, with a built-in layer 2 switch and layer 3 router, powerful one. Actually, it's also supporting MIF 3.0 capabilities. We have here high-speed wideband modulator that can go up to 500 mega symbols per second. We have a product for thin root cellular backhaul with built-in GTP accelerator. We have, you name it, SCPC modem,
Right.
SBM90, what allows 1.35 gigabit transmission and up to 2 million packets per second. We have hub, our latest and greatest cost-effective solution, where it starts now at less than 40,000, all singing and dancing hub.
Wow.
So, what else do you want?
Right, right. Yeah, you've got a lot of good products, eh?
Yeah.
So which markets are you targeting for these?
As you can see, from consumer broadband and all the way to military cellular backhaul. And cellular backhaul, we have trunking, we have thick route, and we have thin route. And we have rural coverage. Basically what it is.
Yeah, so you covered it all.
Yeah.
Right, right. Yeah, so.
And then most importantly, we all run on the same multi-service platform because of our unique and patented actually waveform technology, wave switch, multiple waveforms. We can provide all with the best efficiency, spectral efficiency for a specific application.
Right, right. Well, yeah, that's the Spacebridge for you. You know, they've got a lot of things covered. And is there anything else you want to add, David?
Me? Well, I would say I'm happy to see what our industry alive and going well. What we have challenges, but we all overcoming it. I'm happy to see a lot of familiar faces here on the show. It's too bad what many people from Europe and Latin America couldn't come,
right,
because of travel restrictions. But still, there were a lot of good old friends, and we feel in life again, you know.
Right, right. Yeah, it looks like it's moving forward again. You know,
Yeah.
It's really good to be back. Good to see you again.
Thank you.
Yeah, and see
Same is here.
Yeah.
It's good to see old friends alive and well.
Right. And then we'll see each other again in other parts of the world. Right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Right. Well, thank you very much, David.
You're very welcome, Virgil.
David Gelerman, CEO of Spacebridge, a company that we'll be watching very closely in satellite markets and research, which is www.satellitemarkets.com.